I'm Christina, and I'm your Osborne Books and More consultant for the party. I'm so excited to be here today with you guys and sharing these fantastic books with you. I've been a consultant for about 2 years now. I fell in love with these books when a friend of mine invited me to her party. After that, I had my own party, and when my family received our free hostess books, my daughter just fell head over heels, and I was so impressed with the quality and the content of these books that I signed up to be a consultant a few weeks later, and so here I am now ready to share these books with you. Throughout the event, if you need any help, please message me, chat me. You can even send me a message in the Facebook group page. You know, I'm more than happy to help you in any way that I can. We range in books from infant all the way to young adult, and you might even be surprised. You might find something for yourself. I know I have a few books that I keep tucked away, and my daughter's always trying to grab the coloring books from me. Like I said before, if you have any questions, please reach out. And I look forward to getting to know a little bit more about each and every one of you, and I hope that we can find some great books for your home library.